Okay, diesel. This petrol MPSA on the international market now cost by about 12% or so.
Yeah.
And a diesel cost 34%. The 34%, you know, so we take a conversion factor now, CD appreciation no 1.4 now. Diesel and cost around maybe 20%. 20%, the pump price, they bit on almost 18 Ghana because 12.99. Total Vivo. That's Shell.
Yeah.
12.99. The 12.99, no, so we run it 20%. Oh, they can say run it 15%, right? Just diesel price by 16th March, bit more could be 15 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Right? And I think that the 15 Ghana cedis, na say you so be my discounter. What call you buy no a positive amount because discount be boa. But it's also a whole to discount. You be able to 15 and more. 15 and more no. And you how can say be bro.
That is the price I showed him femo, especially diesel.
Yeah, diesel.
On 16th March.
On 16th March.
15 Ghana cedis.
I heard credit bit my bo.
Abuzafo me mamu nyina makwaba ne ba Ghana Nsem TV so ba mo so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature about so sabeti makabi na chewa your comment section o so that amunim ne from Mr. President to from Mr. President ameje so sa na ya fa no manyina ye free o na radio yangopo Ghana pani Ghana Abuzafo bia na wonte sisi ya no petrol diesel bibia bro kosoro na said ye normal bo call from near John Dramani Mahama enna mumu na ban e kacha ya na for say oh munim de o mama mu panti na normal bo akofom no hwe no bia megina me kan say economic crisis you know bia megina me kan say global factors nyesa kwanye de ombeto so krumu ano ombenu omo dollar call for me say oh yera John Dramani Mahama de oyobofo onimde ti adwuma diesel ne petrol bo call for me yes yera John Dramani Mahama maha good maha dollar maha reduction queen prr se ne mea en fafie na se normal bo ese kosora hwe ne yera John Dramani Mahama be gina kancha Ghana for say global economic factors and influence ye normal so better sounds e wona so na me some me can say 2020 2021 2019 2021 COVID-19 by but prior to the introduction or the exposure of COVID-19 towards the ordinary Ghanaian in the world, our economy was doing so well. Economy na ye adwuma papa. Na COVID-19 be hit ye na no me na call back to bibia ye basa eduane bo be yede petrol bo be yede diesel bo be yede bibia bo be yede ade nya ne free okroma air light and a water and a teachers payment government workers for pay na free people were not rendering services to the state yet na state ni twa teachers were not teaching yet Nanado and Dr. Baume were paying them. Nurses kwampa no mo yadwuma and yet they were being paid but they were not rendering the services like on a normal they would have rendered in other workers omutifie so na ban twa and Nanado made a profound statement. We know how to bring back the economy but we don't know how to bring back lives of dead people. So ye be jina kwan bi so ana wo say between the life of men and the economy we would have to save one. Nanado and Dr. Baume, in their own wisdom, they chose to save the life of men and sacrifice the economy. Yera John Dramani Mahama, Sami Janfia to force any NDC amanyo ko munim hwe no munsu ya de kache yen say. Yen born na MP before born. The economic factors cannot affect our economy. Nyankopɔ fa ne bo on to ntem. Ene the same global factors e be because of Ghana. Yera John Dramani Mahama so peace of mind should come out and apologize to Ghanaians. So the Pagana for what also try and try to media, we will sympathize with the Ghanaians. It will make the whole thing clear. Sarah John Dramani Mahama, if he fails to apologize to Ghanaians, we will fail to sympathize with him and we are going to continue pressing his balls to the core. As simple as that. Petrol Bonnet Kosrono, yam passing BAT, on money for Mochana. diesel price na yakɔ so yen passing bi eti wo yesum ɔma ne bo ne nkɔfom yen pene tutum pene no a.
Yes, the COPEC say rising Middle East tensions. COPEC warns fuel prices could rise to 18 per liter from Monday. What is the news here? What makes COPEC exceptional about this? Middle East, Iran for talk on econo. They be a petrol for you know Iran for omnum guta garage keys. Say Iran to garage keys ma petrol bob bedding. A buying the boy din a ton send your ton and no. This does not make COPEC exceptional. What is this? So Monday, you top petrol 18 Ghana per liter. What is so exceptional about it? Because we all know where the problem is coming from. Why should this one be like Asema COPEC aka yes petrol betono 18 Ghana a liter into a buying in the day. It is your Mahama Kobo Bisian on your day or Mountain for Ghana. It does not work like that, Bibo. A buying a year we are sissy and assassin. Omo Mukunto, no interest. Inti say ubet now catch him say because petrol I could do 18 into Monday into me a buying I was semi force one number 22 why buying the begu. I'm advising the government if through the war petrol moved to 18 Ghana cedis a liter, tell the people petrol has moved to 18 Ghana cedis a liter. When it comes down, it will move down. Finished. Nobody should pick any cup and go anywhere and go and borrow any fucking money. So if you tell me COPEC say, and so be a catch him say, Oceani Ekuadwa, Wekuadwa, and or the Nibina young quine into your surprise. Oceania catch out and I saw Padwan quine. So what makes that person who say that to say, Sani Pana I is something exceptional? No. We know the reality on the ground. There's a difference between a government lying to you. The NPP government, time and petrol could do 17 letters. No, we all knew that the world price wasn't there. They were telling us about Russia-Ukraine war. And the Russia-Ukraine war, why is the petrol not 18? So you know, say, those people were lying. They were taking our money, they were stealing from us. But when the reasons are legitimate, why should we fight? Why should we argue? The reasons are legitimate. Akurakura one and then say Israel, America, any Iran for Tokwano, it can make petrol go up tomorrow. So what is this thing of if you're a government communicator, you come and sit on TV and say you are dilly-dallying around it. Tell them, my friends, when the Iran war wasn't there, you saw how much we were buying petrol. Iran war is up. They have closed the garage. Petrol is expensive. Let's deal with it. Finito. What is this thing of Mama politics here complicated? Mobe we no boka abe more bread to explain. Inti COPEC has not done anything exceptional. There's nothing exceptional here. When it comes to the foreign world and in the foreign countries, when petrol goes up, but there should be a reason. There should be a reason for you to tell the people. Russia.
We are Namachrim, Yanko.
Recruitment, you're working with the finance minister.
Muntio.
A joint cabinet member.
I'm getting many of them on the stream.
I know. A lot of the teachers are not particularly happy with government, happy with the Minister for Education. I see justified demonstrations and picketing at the ministry. But I am not the approving authority. I wait for the Minister for Finance to grant me clearance. With clearance will indicate that I recruit 10,000 teachers. Then I proceed with GES to do that. I don't have the approval. And therefore, it is not a case of Haruna Idrisu or Minister for Education not wanting to help teachers. We recognize that we need teachers across the country. As I said, to improve foundational learning and education.
Recruitment, your
Mepacho Enche Ibia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ebe kachere ya Ghana phone na say ye recruit over then 1 million workers, especially in the nursing and teachers field. Osomafo a oda education ano say otiti say ye say unfair teacher for adwumam na osre teacher for say enya no photo a say atofo sen no a omo ka kire ye say sikata ho say po into omo de be ye adwuma no so no ama ono Haruna no clearance ya ontumi nya hwe. Into the question again will be say aban na o ka kire ye say amela me sama kusie ni yo aban no president ni say we create adwuma wa fan crofo adwuma dia oche education so say me pa cho me no ye ma me clearance ntimi fan crofo adwuma ye ma me clearance dia me fa teacher fo adwuma me fa o fine but ye ma me clearance. Who should we believe? President, you say yama 1 million jobs. And now the Jumani send and son or no catcher who said there be a Jumani in this guy a day no. Fine and obejinedi. Obaku could do 5 minutes, funny uncle.
I was young from the church, will be a major say, Yamia here.
Obia pa.
Hey, I want me say, Nanka, one and Kebeda, sorry, I didn't want to say the Mahama bet to buy me a one, not just a Ghana for. I could mistake at to a Masebi. Obi obey a vice president, yen who are be obey as a vice president. Obey a president, scandals, I would do any Ghana sika will be ria, essay Ghana sika, Emma Ghana ye basa, a mudun shy a die ye, sebi, a move basa ya or ye basashia dear. But she Ghana, say Ghana dear. Kahwain and Kebedre Hoda. Senka Ghana Kebeka Kotraba, short memory no, catch a see was short memory no, and Padampaya, China say Empire short memory. I'm and don't know what to go or to Jubilee House or who's a Ghana for ye Jimmy into the one for respect to be a Ghana for no. And until he came to lie to us, say Ghana Statistical Service for Manaya, where say 1 man for 1 million jobs, automatic posting, automatic one why ni na to nsuomo no anim sa to nsuomo no. In the Ghana Statistical Service for say 330,000. One Mahama could not seem to catch Ghana for you now say 1 million jobs. Knowing very well say it is a lie. All because wouldn't pass over because Yama 330,000. It is such a disgrace to you and your government in team. Who be catch and say you are 1 million because you promised the nurses automatic posting. You promised the teachers automatic posting. That's when to me and Yama no be catch and say you have restored the allowances. And no correct. Sa allowance on about 1 year no be twemu. Akufado time we twemu 2016, 2015. Akufado be restored in 2017 no. Wo ba ye osabe ye president 2025 year was twemu. 1 year when ti omoka. 1 good year be ye president when ti omoka. Enti no be catch am say he has restored it. No, it is because he cancelled it. He himself has cancelled it again. Na Ghana for yemfanya yen. Yemfanya yo. Yemfanya yen na ya. Hey, Obi sebi more ye be policy ye baby be a Ghana for nya so fast so ye do election ye October Mr. Felix send ye ko kasabre panko fatwa so monko toba keke na Ghana ye ni ye keke no as if se Ghana na ye be ye ni ye ba be ni ye ama ye nkoma ya tene emu fufuo wo emu banku ka emu ntadisie ade te se dia Ghana na ye prayer hwese ni na be koso na ye nkwa na ekoso ama ye omo maka ne nka ho me who free education ba ye no akufo do anka se MPP for nko kita MPP membership card nkwa na ba go school free. He said say obia eko free education obia eko free education obia ko bi obia ba ko bi aden Ghana for ade automatic posting na do dan akufo do ba ye obe posti enkola motene fie from 2014 2016 obe posti mu nyina automatic posting na do dan akufo do na de ba ye na no moka che plain mo nto aba no enenya me na etwia moka mahama onsanti increment ne so se mo se dia mo panie na nado buy obeye mu yie to increment mu salary increment at the 30%.
Oh yes,
in the mahama basashia de etimi te so ma ne 9% na mo 11% ma ton wa de papa to ama se bi mahama ka ba omia to aso a nka se bi Ghanaians would be experiencing a kind of different economy. To about my basashia dear way, no monko for Ghana, sika Ghana gold. Gold, I say, Ghana, a gold coaster. Na nado danko for the neighbor me, but 8 tons. Far gold, no, gold, and money could do 30.53 tons. Most of that ton gold number one casanga at $3,300. We be catch Ghana for somebody and sell Ghana sikum as I got on at $5,500. Yami bet yamuka and this for Missy Yami bet yamuka. Nyame be chia moka Sika mo de ton ye nyina se bi e teachers for su akoko afo mawu me se
Yo.
koko funi biara wo kwahwere ne nkwa just because of this issue nti me se radi bisa ni mo jamfiri mu NDC for ho ya me bisa ni mo jamfiri mu NDC for ho ama boye for ye to abama mo ye hunu he o Ghana ham say ya me bisa mo jani nyina mfiri mu ho obi biara wo kana no aduro because se bi mo dada mo se 6000 se bio koko krachi ni e wakoji loan